Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to connect Facebook page with Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe about 1 minute. From your home menu, go to settings and select connected accounts and click on connect account and select Facebook. And now you have to log in into your Facebook account and click on continue. And click on this button here and click on save. So here you can see I've successfully connected my Facebook page with Squarespace website. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.